Today, we're one step closer to having A-6 ready for the new homeowner. This house is for sale, and the skirting was done today. So let's take a look at how pretty this looks. We still have to fix the yard a little bit and put up the shed. There's some flyers there that I have in case you stop by and I'm not here. The air conditioning's on. This is Blair Road right there, and this is the house from this angle. Let's take a look a little bit like that. We still have to put the gutters up. We've got the storm doors up, and I'm giving tours. So you want to find out about it, email me at info@dolanhomes.com, and I can give you a tour of this really lovely house inside. Look for the other videos of the inside. I'm not doing the video of the inside today, but just highlighting the outside. There's the propane tank, and this is the neighbor's yard. So it's a lovely, quiet street and a great place to live. Give us an email at info@dolanhomes.com. This is A-6. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath for $85,000. A brand new house with all of the warranties. You're gonna love this house. Otherwise, check out www.myhomeincarteret.com.